today we are going to learn how to read a dichotomous key. A dichotomy is a situation where you have two choices, this or that, and the two choices are kind of opposites, or at least very, very different. So a dichotomous key gives you two choices, and you say yes or no, this or that, and then follow your answer until you get the final answer. So here we have all these little aliens on this pretend planet Parmesan. And we need to classify and identify each of these aliens. On the second page, there's a dichotomous key. So let's look at creature number 16, and let's follow these questions until we figure out what it is. So you always go back to the very first step when you start with a new creature. So for this creature, the creature has a large wide head or a small narrow head. Well, large wide head. So we go to number 2. For number 2, it has 3 eyes or 2 eyes. Well, this one has 2 eyes. So we go to number 7. The creature has hairy spikes or no spikes. Well, those look like hairy spikes to me. So, hairy spikes, go to number 8. There is a star in the middle of its body. There is no star. I don't see any stars. Go to 9. The creature has an arch-shaped bottom, or the creature has an M-shaped bottom. Well, if you're not sure, look at some of the other pictures. Oh, there's an arch-shaped bottom. Okay. So, if it has an M-shaped bottom, then it must be Broadus Kyphorus. Now, this is the pretend classical name where they tell you the genus and species. So, it's the genus Broadus. Notice all of the ones with the broad heads have the name Broadus. Okay? And then it gets more specific with the species. And it's Kyphorus is the specific species of broad-headed critters. So you would write Broadus Kyphorus under number 16. By the way, if you get tired of writing the entire word Broadus or Narrowus, you can just put B for the genus and then write out the species name. This is actually the way that classical names are done. I would like you to do number 1 through 10 for credit. Then, if you want extra credit, you can do 11 through 15 and 18 through 20. We're going to do number 17 together now, which is why 16 and 17 are not extra credit. You only need to watch if you feel like you're still confused. For number 17, you start all the way back at the beginning. Always start at the beginning. The creature has a large wide head or a small narrow head. Oh, small narrow head. Go to 11. The creature has no antenna or has antenna. Well, there's antenna, so it has no antenna. Go to 12. There are spikes on the face. There are no spikes on the face. I don't see any spikes on the face. Go to 13. The creature has no spikes anywhere. There are spikes on the right leg. And it's our right, not their right. Sorry. So on the right leg, that is Narrowus starboardus. Narrow is the genus. So all the critters with a narrow head are Narrowus. Then the species, the more specific group, is starboardus. By the way, starboard is the nautical term, the boat sailing term, for the right. Port is the nautical term for left. The way I remember that is the word left and the word port both have 4 letters. So there's your random fact for the day.